Want to know what to do if you happen to have a really rusty shed?
Yes.
Check it out. If you have a shed that looks like this, and it's practically not even worth painting, but you get this rusty metal primer, you'll have a shed that looks uniformly rusty. It's an oil-based primer. Goes on really thick, but it covers up the rust and it will protect the metal for a little bit longer. I just finished the back just about completely. I got everything I could reach anyways, and it looks so much nicer. I'm using this Rustoleum Rusty Metal Primer. High performance rusty metal primer. The only thing you have to be aware of is toxic fumes. I'm about to go get my mask because I think I have to be up pretty close to it in order to get full coverage for everything, and being like within 2 feet of it you can really smell the fumes. So maybe get like a P100, you know, whatever good mask, a painting mask for vapors, because it stinks. And we got this odorless mineral spirit substitute to clean up the paintbrushes and everything once we're done. At least done for the day. I'm gonna do the roof too as much as I can, but I've already gone through about half or a little bit more of the gallon, so it's definitely going to take more than 1 gallon to do a shed of this size. And just to give you a full view of what one side looked like before, they had spray painted it this blue cornflower kind of color, and over the years it turned into this. I don't know the last time they painted this. It must have been quite a while ago, I'm guessing, for the rust to be this bad. They prepped it for painting by brushing the dust off and the cobwebs off on the outside, and then with just a dry brush, and then I sprayed it with some really high pressure water. So you're supposed to use soap and water, but I didn't. But it's going on fine, as long as the surface isn't too grimy. Once I get my mask on, I'm going to continue. I won't be done today because we're definitely going to need more paint. But it's a good start. Just so you can see how kind of thick this stuff is. Gonna do the details. Kind of looks like milk chocolate. Good. Nice, even coverage. Voila! Amazing what a painted coat will do. What? Stop barking. Ow. Stop barking.
Oh.
Yeah. It's really quite striking when you see the difference before and after. Wow. And I just discovered a huge red ant hole right there, so I sprayed the crap out of it with wasp spray. That really slowed them down. Huh. There you can get a close-up of awful rust and paint that looks like rust. And yeah, I did glob it on pretty thick, but you know what? Who cares? It's an old shed. So there you have it. If you have a really rusty shed and you'd like it to look better, you can make it go from this to this with just some Rustoleum rusty metal primer.